gym was moved to the D wing, and we moved that space because we wanted a bigger area for the weight room. We wanted to enhance our equipment, and the old space didn't have the room we needed for that added equipment. We purchased a lot of new equipment from Rogue Fitness. It's good quality equipment. They have stuff for weightlifting, for endurance. They kind of offered the full package for a really good price, and they oftentimes redo high school weight rooms, so they were familiar with what we were doing and could offer us a nice enhancement. Rogue offers equipment specifically for females and specifically for males. They have a 35-pound barbell, which is a smaller width for grip for females, and they have for males a 45-pound barbell that is a thicker width for grip. It caters to different sizes, shapes, abilities, and fitness levels, which I thought was really beneficial to us. The gym is going to be open to in-sport athletes and teams after school. We have 2 sessions, 2 45-minute sessions after school. It's also going to be available to out-of-season athletes later in the day, every day, as well as faculty and staff. We have a morning session from 6 to 7 a.m. The weight room is open for all faculty and staff to use, as well as after school. It's also available for PE classes. I know we're going to be adding a strength and conditioning class into the PE curriculum next year, which is awesome. It's really for all students, all athletes, all faculty and staff in the district, and eventually the community. The programs that I typically do with athletes are sport performance programs. So it incorporates things from weightlifting, neuromuscular training, things like landing on one foot, multiplanar movements, forward, backward, side, rotation, jumping, landing, things that you see on the field and the court. It's not just squatting up and down or doing push-ups. You know, your body has to be prepared for the loads and forces that it's going to see on the field from an opponent, things that you're not prepared for, but we want to train our brains and our muscles to be ready to withstand those forces. It keeps our athletes in shape. It keeps them game ready. Not all athletes play 3 sports in all 3 seasons. Some just do 1 season of sports, some do 2. So it gives them an opportunity to stay in shape, stay strong, get stronger for their next sport in the off season. If an athlete has a specific goal, whether that's trying to make a college sports team or trying to get stronger to make a varsity team here, or they just want to get in better shape all around, I can make an individualized program for them. I'm also going to be making individualized programs for specific sport teams so that teams can come in together and work out for their specific sport. We hope to really expand on the space and expand on the program. We want every team to be in here during the season, in the off season, and preseason as well. We want this space to be utilized all the time, and that starts with the summer. This summer we're going to be offering a sport performance program where the athletes will learn foundational lifting techniques and movements, as well as cardio. We'll do some prehab for injury prevention, neuromuscular training, again, like I said earlier. It's going to be 3 days a week, and it's going to be awesome. So I hope we get more people in here.
In biomed, I took that as well my sophomore year, and we did a gel electrophoresis lab, and I think we're doing that again because we're on our unit with DNA, which is really cool. It's just really amazing how intricate things are on such a small molecular level, and how such small things can have such big impacts.
So here at Sandwich High School, science is alive with opportunity for real-world application and allows you the choice to explore the field that may interest you. In addition to our core classes of bio, chemistry, earth and space, and physics, we offer Project Lead the Way courses that enable you to learn skills that can be applied to world marketplace today. For example, you may choose to move through biology onto chemistry and add our Project Lead the Way biomedical science, where you'll examine autopsy reports, investigate medical history, and explore medical treatment exemplars. The activities and projects will introduce you to human physiology, medicine, and research processes. You may also choose to take human body systems that incorporates anatomy with the opportunity to practice hands-on manipulation of suturing and constructing body structures from clay, determining the identity of a skeleton using both forensic anthropology and DNA analysis, and examining the interactions of human body systems while applying your learning to solve real-world medical cases. Or perhaps you're interested in engineering. You could move through our engineering classes with Intro to Engineering, where you can learn design solution to a variety of problems using 3D modeling software, or Principles of Engineering, where we talk about strength and materials used in the structure as well as more 3D manipulation. Or you might move on to Civil Engineering, that allows you the freedom to actually build a property, use project planning, site planning, building design, and 3D design software from Autodesk that civil engineers and architects are experiencing in the workplace today. So perhaps your interest lies in environmental science or marine bio. We have something for everyone here in our science department, where every day is an adventure in discovery of what you might want to do next that will propel you forward in your future.
And I really like learning about the cells and how they work, the different parts of them, and I think it's really interesting to connect back science to like the way that things are functioning because it's all around you.
I know that it's invaluable to expose you to curriculum aligned with college and career pathways, and that is what we offer here at Sandwich High School.